Good morning! You're watching Tap in Time. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, without further ado, let's tap in time. In today's video, we're going to be working on section 2 of the routine Wellerman for a beginner's level. So, let's begin. If you haven't already, be sure to check out the video Wellerman Routine Section 1 for Beginners that is up on the channel already to learn the first part of this routine. So, standing in parallel with our knees slightly bent, we are going to be starting with the right leg first in the diagonal position that we finished Section 1 in. So, standing in this position, we have 4 heel swivels. Right, left, like so. Followed by 2 shuffles to the side again with the right leg. And finally a toe heel back to parallel, transferring your weight onto the right leg. We then step out to the left diagonal with the left leg and perform 3 heel swivels. Left, right, left, like so. Then we have 2 shuffles to the side with the left leg. And finally a toe heel back to parallel, transferring our weight onto the left leg. Perfect! That's all of section 2. Now let's piece together all of the steps learned. So, standing in parallel with our knees slightly bent, we're going to be starting with the right leg first, back in the position that we ended section 1 in. Perfect! So there you have it, section 2 for the routine Wellerman.